Okay, so magandang araw mga Lods. At ito, nagbabalik na naman ako. So, sa video ito ay first video ko ito habang naabot ko na ang 1K subscribers. At yon ay dahil sa inyo. So, maraming salamat sa inyo sa mga sumusuporta dito sa YouTube channel ko. Sa mga nag-subscribe, mga nanonood, viewers, at kahit na yung mga nanonood lang at hindi nag-subscribe, you are welcome to my channel. Meron tayong gagawin dito. Pero bago ang lahat ay shoutout muna! So shoutout sa inyong lahat. Tingnan nyo na lang yung mga pangalan nyo dyan. Bilis-bilisan lang natin ng konti kasi medyo marami kayo. Yan, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Okay, so yun lang. Shoutout sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat. Okay, at sa mga gustong magpa-shoutout dyan, mag-comment lang kayo dyan sa baba. At sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, pag-hit na sa subscribe button at isama nyo na lang yung notification bell. Okay? So ang gagawin natin ngayon mga Lods ay isang China na CRT TV. So i-share ko lang sa inyo, lalo na sa mga baguhan, ang trouble na ito kasi nakakalito ito lalo na kapag hindi nyo kabisado. So ito, start na tayo. So ito siya, ang name niya ay Matrix. Okay, parang movie to Ay nako, nakalimutan ko mag-English pala ako mga Lods. So as per customer, the problem of this unit is sometimes turns into only one horizontal line here. Then the picture is blurred and there's a gap here and also up here. Okay, so let's check just to confirm the problem. So I already plugged in this unit and also it has an antenna. Then turn on like this so we can see the problem there. It has a jumpy picture and a gap, and also the sound was being affected. Okay, so this is the problem, and the picture turns into blurred. So this is the primary complaint of the customer. Okay, so I will turn off this and turns back to normal. Okay, so I will turn off this unit and let's fix this. Okay, so those are the symptoms of the problem, and if we are going to evaluate, maybe some will say that the problem of this unit is coming from the vertical section. Of course not. Or some will say it comes from the jungle IC, and it also not coming from the jungle IC and on the vertical section. So vertical section and the jungle IC, they are just affected by one of the section here in the board that is having a problem. Because if we say that it is coming from the vertical section, maybe we can see yes due to the gaps from the upper and the lower portion of the screen. But the question here is, why is it has a blurry picture? So here I'm going to reveal to you how to fix this trouble. So all you're going to do here is if the problem occurs on the screen, you can do voltage checking here. So do not do voltage checking while the unit operates normally, because of course the voltages there are complete. You are going to do voltage checking here if the problem occurs, because some voltages there are abnormal. Okay, so as you can see here, so I am going to focus. So this is the 8 volts regulator and this is the 5 volts regulator. So this 5 volts here, this was connected to pin number 36 of the jungle IC, which is the VCC 5 volts. Okay. So if this 5 volts regulator has a problem, then the supply here in the 5 volts VCC was being affected, and that is why it can cause the picture to disappear. So the vertical section is affected by these regulators, two regulators. This 8 volts regulator is also, this is the 8 volts, and as you can see, it has a resistor here and goes into the pin number 7 of the vertical IC. We will just replace this two regulators. Okay, so let's check the part number. C2673. Okay. So here, the two regulators was already installed. Before we're going to test, let's check first these three Zener diodes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just check them first. So I already test these three Zener diodes, and also these two capacitors here. These two capacitors are connected to the Zener diodes. Okay, so I am going to show to you my own version of ASR. Okay, so walang nag-sponsor nito at hindi ko rin ito binili sa kung saan saan. Sariling diskarte lang. Ito yung off, then dito tayo sa capacitor. Tapos ito yung dalawang indicators. Ito yung power. Tapos ito yung short indicator. Yan. So ito, kopya ko lang to. Piniprint. Tapos dinikit ko lang dyan. Yan. So check natin itong dalawang. Ito ay 100 microfarad. Then itong isa ay 47 microfarad. 47 microfarad. Dito tayo. Okay. Then the 100 UF. Okay. So sariling diskarte lang to, mga lods. Yan. So ito ay mas masyadong masilaw ang blue. So papalitan ko siguro yan ng, yan o, masilaw siya. Tapos accurate naman. Okay, so let's do testing. I will turn on this unit. So I will just lower the volume to avoid copyright. Video. Okay, so full screen. No more blurred. So that is only the solution. Let's increase the volume.
Promo 4. Now with the Nutri-Gift system.
Okay. Sound is good. Okay na siya. Yung mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe. Kaya dito na lang mga lods. Bye-bye!